Welcome back, everyone. Scott here, and we are continuing our next update, also being the 30-day mark of this 38-way ceramic coating sealants waxes test. The last week of weather, as you're well aware, we've had incredibly huge temperature swings, snow, ice, rain, everything. No water and power here for several days. Glad to have the mess behind us. So let's see how this weather has affected the products. If you're new to the channel and aren't familiar with these tests, you know that I've been doing these for the last 6 years. This panel sits outside of our shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the East Texas elements, and we'll wash and inspect it on a monthly basis from here on out. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit that bell icon to get notifications when a new update goes live. Google Docs in the video description. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's jump right into it. Drive Auto E-Coat Ceramic Spray. It was weak at the first wash. It's still weak. The spot that says ETHOS graphene coating is not that. It is CQuartz UK 3.0 topped with CQuartz SIC. I have yet to remove the label. I need to do that. Owner's Pride and Tech 580 doing okay. Pearl Nano Glass failed at the first wash. Pearl Nano Spray. It's looking kind of weak. What would you say? We'll give it a pass this month, but it's getting pretty close. Jescar Power Lock and Extreme Solutions Poly Seal, both kind of in that same category where they're not quite where you can mark it weak, but we'll give it a pass this month. IGL Kenzo Graphene and Glossit 10H, both doing great. McGuire's Hybrid Ceramic Wax Dry and Wet application, both doing fine. Turtle Wax Ceramic, Turtle Wax Eye Seal and Shine, Graphene Liquid Wax, Graphene Flex Wax, all doing okay. TLC Black Ice, Hydrosilex, their reformulated version. You can see it's showing a little bit of signs of weakness, but that's about it. Ceramic Wax, BCC and his ceramic coating, doing all right. Soft 99 Fuso, exceptionally hydrophobic, same as the previous updates. That's the one that surprised me the most so far. So those that recommended I test that, thanks for that. We'll see how it holds up when the extreme temperatures show up here in the summer in Texas. Continuing on, CQuartz Light, CQuartz SIC, and CQuartz UK 3.0, also doing great. Sprayway SiO2, that's the aerosol. I believe we marked that weak at the first wash. It's still kind of in that same category. 303, the old and the new version of the graphene spray. The old version is what failed in my previous test. They sent me a replacement, so I put them both on here. There is obviously something different between the old and the new version. You can see that. Behaves completely different. On to Addendum's Graphene and Addendum's Graphene Spray Coating. Doing great. Lone Star Ceramic Spray, their pre-production formula, still doing great. And Jax Wax 9H, good. And then here are the 3 Chinese products. Nano Age 9H, I don't know how to say that, 10H, and that's actually HK Tianmei 9H, doing good. And Avalon King, the King, still doing good. So there's your update here at the 30-day mark. Any surprises? Shouldn't be a whole lot of surprises here at the 30-day mark. Again, maybe the old 303 graphene, that would be the surprise. And Soft 99 Fuso, that's more of a traditional wax, doing very good at the 30-day mark. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, smash that like button, and of course comment down below. If there are other products you want to see tested, let me know down in the comments. I always read the comments, try to respond when I can, write down anything that's suggested, and make a video later making sure that that's what everyone wants to see tested. And finally, I do always leave the Google Docs spreadsheet in the comments of the video or in the video description so you can see more about each product, where to find it, and of course the Amazon Associates links in the video description. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.